Okay, so the second cocktail I'm making is the Barossa Bramble. Our little twist on the traditional Bramble. So Bramble, it's a traditional cocktail made with gin, lemon juice, sugar syrup, and chambord. However, we're using a couple of our other range today. So we're using the savoury all sorts gin that we make here. So this one is a star anise, herbaceous, you've got marjoram, thyme, licorice. So it's this beautiful gin that just is fantastic in a cocktail because it just fleshes out that palate. We used to make this as a traditional chambord, traditional Bramble with the chambord, and it's delicious, don't get me wrong. But then we realised we can replace the chambord with our very own Shiraz gin. So the Shiraz gin, this is vintage 2020, great on its own, great with tonic, great in a cocktail. And so this really breaks down that chambord blackberry flavour, and it gives you this beautiful black currant flavour coming through from the gin, from those Shiraz grapes that have been macerated with the house gin as the base. So we're going to put this together. It's quite a simple cocktail, very easy to recreate at home. So we're going to start with 30 ml of our savoury all sorts gin, 25 ml of lemon juice, fresh is best, 15 ml of sugar syrup, and shake on ice. Fill a glass with ice. Fine strain your mixture. So you can see it's that lemon juice. It's got that sweetness and that sour kick. What we're going to do is finish that on top with some Shiraz gin. And then a lemon twist. Best to try and get that lemon zest over the top. Pop it in. Barossa Bramble.